Welcome to today's video. In this review, we'll be diving into the ZOSKVEE Smart Watch for women and men. A versatile and stylish smartwatch designed to keep you connected and active. Whether you're looking to dial and answer calls directly from your wrist or monitor your fitness with advanced tracking features, this smartwatch is packed with everything you need. We'll take a closer look at its design, key features, and how it performs in everyday use. So, if you're curious about how the ZOSKVEE smartwatch can enhance your lifestyle, stay tuned.
The Samsung Galaxy Watch for 40mm is your ultimate companion for fitness and style. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, a ABIS sensor for body composition insights, and a personalized heart rate zones. It helps you optimize your workouts. With 24/7 heart rate tracking and advanced AI, this sleek smartwatch keeps you connected and healthy on the go.
Stay fit and healthy with the Health Eat Fitness Tracker smartwatch. Equipped with 24/7 heart rate monitoring, it also tracks blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep patterns for a complete wellness overview. Its pedometer helps you stay active by counting every step. A sleek all-in-one device to elevate your health routine.
Stay active and connected with the Garmin Venue SQ2 GPS smartwatch. This sleek wearable offers all-day health monitoring, including 24/7 heart rate, stress tracking, and sleep insights. With built-in GPS and over 25 sports modes, it's perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Enjoy smart notifications, long battery life, and a stylish design to fit any lifestyle.
Stay connected and active with this smartwatch for women. You can control your smart devices, check weather updates, and more hands-free. Its IP68 waterproof rating makes it perfect for workouts and with Bluetooth calling. You can answer women, designed for both Android and iPhone users. With Alexa built.
Stay connected and active with the smartwatch for women, featuring Bluetooth calls and fitness tracking. In a sleek, fashion-forward pink silicone design, perfect for outdoor sports, it's waterproof and built to endure any adventure. Track your heart rate, steps, and more with ease. Compatible with both Android and iOS. Elevate your fitness and style with this must-have accessory.
And make calls on the go. Stay stylish while tracking your fitness with ease.